What's up? It's your boy Madden All Day One back here with another video, and today we're gonna do part 3 of the small little pack opening. We're gonna open up this pro pack, eyes closed. We ain't pulling nothing good, so it's whatever. We're gonna go to auctions. I'll sell. These will go for 2,500. No, put him up for that much. Put him up for that. Post out on the auctions. Go to sets. Got 2 to 3. Next, let's see how close we are here. I'm just gonna go buy 2 Browns players. $250. So how much I buy my Browns players for? 201. 201. And I'll save a coin here. And then we're just gonna sets. Put in the 2 Browns players. Claim. New pack earned. I earned a new pack. Go to sets. I'm here. Open up one of these 6 trophy packs. Try to pull gold. Oh, come on. Okay, that was really bad. Worst one I have ever opened. I'm gonna get the silver trophy. And then we're gonna put this Browns in there. Then we're gonna get a gold trophy. And now we got a gold trophy that we can sell for $5,499. Now let's sell this. Go to 5,499, 5,498. Post this on the auctions. Go to this live event. And Madden All Day One is signing.